Here's how to make a woman excited and more attracted to you, sticking close to you just by using your tongue. Through words, that is. You might have struggled in the past when trying to approach a woman, not knowing what to do or say to grab her attention. Don't worry, bro. This time, you're going to learn the secrets to winning her over in the most effective way. No need for huge effort, no need to spend tons of money, but just by mastering the art of communication and using words when you're one-on-one with the girl you're after. Watch this video until the end and follow the step-by-step guide so you can put it into practice and either win over the girl you've been eyeing or make your partner even more attached, unable to be away from you. Here are the tricks. 1. Active listening. This isn't exactly a secret, bro. To make a girl feel comfortable and attracted to you, you need to be a good listener. Almost every guy knows this in theory, but not every guy knows that being a good listener isn't just about nodding your head while she talks. If you do this during your conversations, she'll feel like you're not respecting her, as you seem to be trying to listen, but your mind is elsewhere. So, the more effective way is through active listening. When you're listening to her, don't just be passive. Respond to her with words, expressions, and body language. Make her feel like you're paying close attention. For instance, when she says something like, "I got an A on my math exam today," show your excitement by smiling or asking questions like, "Wow, congratulations, you must have worked really hard for that." This way, she'll feel more appreciated. Or, when she shares something more sensitive and you're not sure how to respond, simply lean in slightly toward her as you listen. This body language will make her feel like you're ready to protect and support her through whatever she's going through. This can make her more attracted to and comfortable around you. 2. Stress management. There's a difference between managing your own stress and handling a woman who's stressed. Pay close attention, bro. When your mind is a mess or your mood is down and you're feeling pressured, you need to manage it well so she sees you as someone dependable. Do this by spending time alone. Do the things you enjoy, whether it's writing, reading, working out, hiking, or going on a motorcycle tour. Don't force yourself to tackle the issue when you're stressed, like starting a debate with her. That will only make things worse and turn her off. On the other hand, when you're dealing with a woman who's stressed, you should approach her. Listen to her complaints, using the techniques from point 1. There's no need to offer a solution right away, just listen attentively. Once you see that her mood is calming down, then you can offer solutions. Let me emphasize again, when you're stressed, step away for a bit and do something you enjoy on your own. But when she's stressed, get closer. Listen to her carefully, and then offer her solutions or comforting words to help lift her mood. Number 3, satisfaction. Men and women have different desires when it comes to finding satisfaction in a relationship. Men tend to feel satisfied when they feel needed, while women feel satisfied when they feel cared for. As a man, you likely want a partner you can guide, someone you can teach something new. You probably feel happy when you know something your partner doesn't, and you can teach it to her. So, as a man, you need to have various skills to share your sense of satisfaction with the woman you like. Teach her something you're really good at, like going to the gym, swimming, or surviving in the wilderness. On the other hand, to help a woman feel satisfied, give her attention. Not in a needy way, like asking, "Have you eaten yet?" but in more thoughtful ways. For example, surprise her with a gift, or give her a compliment when she does something well. These simple gestures will make her feel comfortable with you because they show her that she is cared for and loved. 4. Understanding through words. Women have a unique way of expressing themselves. Often, they say things to convey the emotions they are feeling. So whether you like it or not, you need to understand her words, expressions, and tone of voice. The understanding I'm talking about here isn't just about reading her feelings and thoughts, but being able to understand her through words so she feels more loved. For example, when she's angry, don't match her emotions by getting angry yourself. Instead, offer her understanding through words, like saying, "I know you're upset and I'm here if you want to talk. But if you need some time alone first, that's okay too. I'll be ready to listen when you're ready." Using words like this will calm her emotions, soothe her, and improve her mood. She'll see you as someone dependable because you're willing to set aside your own ego for the sake of your relationship. Alright bro, that's it for this video. Hope it helps.